The future of movie posters, from silent era snooze to AR dazzle. Imagine a world where movie posters talk to you, where they know your name, your favorite snack, and whether you're Team Cap or Team Iron Man. The future is wild, people, and today, we're diving into the evolution of film posters. From silent era minimalism to a future so tech-savvy it'll blow your popcorn-covered mind. But before we talk about posters that know your soul, let's rewind. Because this glow-up is more dramatic than Cinderella's. Let's roll. Chapter 1. The silent era when less was. Well, welcome to the 1910s, where movie posters said, who needs visuals? Let's just dump some text and call it a day. These were minimalist AF, but not in the cool, Scandinavian way. More like, we ran out of budget. These were minimalist AF, but not in the cool, Scandinavian way. More like, we ran out of budget. The focus? Titles. Names. Yawn. The posters were so plain, you could use them as wallpaper, and nobody would notice. Chapter 2. The golden age of Hollywood when posters got extra. Then bam, the golden age hits, and posters go from boring to bold. Suddenly, it's all about color, drama, and emotion. Think damsels in distress, brooding heroes, and lighting so dramatic it could be a TikTok trend. These posters weren't just selling movies, they were selling dreams. The kind where you could wear a fedora and still look cool. Chapter 3. The rise of the graphic designer when posters got artsy. And then came the 60s and 70s, when graphic designers said, what if we just did whatever we want? Posters got bold, abstract, and extra artsy. Fonts? Funky. Colors? Loud. Layouts? Chaotic, but make it chic. They weren't just advertising movies, they were making statements. And sometimes, those statements were, you're gonna need to squint to figure this one out. Chapter 4. The digital revolution. Photoshop and collages take over. By the 80s and 90s, computers entered the chat. Suddenly, designers could blend photography, illustration, and text into one big digital stew. Think intricate collages and overly dramatic explosions. Let's put every character on this poster. No, closer. Perfect. Now, slap on some glowing text, and we're done. Chapter 5. The future of film posters. Tech magic awaits. Now, hold on to your popcorn because the future is here, and it's packed with tech. Imagine posters that aren't just posters, they're experiences. AR and VR will let you step into the world of the movie. Want to hang out in Gotham? Done. Want to feel the T-Rex's breath from Jurassic Park? Why, though? Even cooler? Personalized posters. You walk past one, and bam, it changes based on your preferences. Hey, Sarah, here's Chris Hemsworth in 3D, just for you. Fun facts segment. Did you know? The original King Kong poster? Worth over $600,000. That's more than Kong's therapy bill after climbing the Empire State Building. Jaws' iconic poster was designed in 2 days. 2 days. Meanwhile, I can't decide what to watch on Netflix in 2 days. The E.T. poster. Hand-painted. Yep, back when artists used actual paint instead of Ctrl+C. So, what's next? Holograms? Posters that whisper spoilers? Let me know your wildest guesses in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Or else your next poster will be, just text. Dramatic gasp. From silent simplicity to tech wizardry, movie posters are evolving faster than a Marvel post-credit scene. See you next time.